Hey, your May Squad. I hope this video finds you in wonderful, great spirits. So, bare face, you know what that means. We're about to do a makeup tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead with my Sacha Buttercup and apply that directly to my eyelids to soak up any oil. And of course, guys, I'm running behind per usual. So I'm going to try to do this as quickly as I possibly can so I can be to work on time. Okay, so this time I'm going to use Motives with the Ground Case Highlighter and number 28. And first, just going to take a little bit of the Motives and, like I normally do, nothing different. Sorry, guys, I'm so mellow. You know what that means. I just woke up and waiting for my personality to hop online. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Bad Habit Beauty After Hours palette, and we're going to go in with this shade right here. Okay, then we're going to go into the Nubian Palette, and I'm going to use, I'm going to use this shade right here. Then I'm going to go back into the After Hours palette. I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called Hickey. Now we're going to go back in with that shade I laid into the crease, and we're just going to keep blending and blend it out and make it look all pretty. Now that we have blended the eyeshadow, we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. You can definitely skip this part if you're not a fan of the cut crease look. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with two pigments from likegoldcosmetics. I'm going in with Jeanette and Rebecca. And I'll show you. And I've used these colors before. Jeanette is that white, it looks like it's a white powder, white pigment, but it has the pink sheen to it, the pink flecks in there. And then Rebecca is like a fuchsia shade. So I have some of the NYX glitter base in the back of my hand, and we're going to apply that to our eyelid first before applying the pigments. All right, and look at those pigments. They are gorgeous. So we're going to go back in with that shade that we had put right here to fill in that blankness. I'm going to go in with my Epic ink liner from NYX and go ahead and line my eyes. So we're going to add some glitter. So I'm going to use, this glitter is from Queen Elements. I don't remember the actual color name, but I'll include it in the description box. And this is from luxglammcosmetics. This is their Capricorn glitter. So we're going to use both of these and apply these to the eye. Okay, so just to let you know what foundation I used, I went ahead and used, I know I was going to say it's for a special occasion, but I went ahead and used it anyway. I used Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover and the Super Stay. So I used the N05 and then the 140, mixed those together to get my, the closest shade match I could get using the Danessa Myricks, because I do need to go up a shade. What else? Lashes, of course. And then I used that pigment that I use right here, which is, can't remember, which is Jeanette. I use that for my highlight today. So yeah, I need to hurry up and put the Lippie on and then get out of here. So I'm going to use Jewel by NYX. Okay, and I'm just going to top that with Motives lip gloss in Reina. Alright, squad, this is my completed look. So I hope you did enjoy this. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. I like to hear from you guys, you know, of course. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I forgot to say this, but hello to all the new subbies. Thank you so much for subscribing to the community. And just thank you guys, everybody who's watching this. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I'll greatly appreciate it. And don't forget, hit the notification bell so you can get notifications on when a new video is headed your way, because there are some headed your way. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.